Hi there guys, welcome to another episode. Now if you remember in the last episode I said that there's a car show this weekend and Alice is going. So this is going to be the first car show where Alice is completely road legal. The first thing we obviously need to do is clean her, because I've been driving her around now and she's got filthy. So we need to give her a good clean. So a while ago I reached out to the people at Auto Finesse. They are one of the partners for Ford Fair 2024 in August. And I reached out to them and said, I'm driving all the way from Sweden. I need to keep the car clean. Do you have any good products? And well, they sent me a couple of good products. In fact, they sent me a load of good products. So they sent me the 2 buckets. They sent me all sorts of polishers, cleaners, shampoos, that sort of stuff. There's a cleaning mitten, the brushes, some of these detail sprays, all sorts of microfiber cloths and stuff like that, and that bag to put everything into. So this bag and all of these products will be coming along with me on the journey so that I can clean the car and keep it nice and clean all the way along the journey. So a massive thank you to Auto Finesse, and I'm really looking forward to getting this car clean. So I'm going to put you on guys on a time lapse and we'll get this thing clean. Well, I've never used one of those drying cloths before, but they were amazing. That is literally the time it took me to stop the camera, get it off the tripod and bring it over here. The car's dry. That's pretty amazing, that is. Right, I think a quick wax straight over the top of this, and just a spray wax just to help the water to stay off the car. And then we're ready for a car show tomorrow. Right, so we're ready to go then. First car show that Alice is going to be a part of for 2024. Let's go. And here we are. Yeah, okay, it's a bit of a cheat. It's at work, actually. So we've got an open day at work. We've also invited a veteran car club, a Jaguar club, and I think the Mustang club is coming as well. So we're gonna have a look at some cool cars today, as well as my work. Well, this is my colleague's car, as you can see, TVR. TVR, but a bit special. A bit of a hint there as to what's in there. For those of you who don't know, there's a Nissan 350Z in this. So most people will recognise this building because this is where I do all my filming normally, but I normally do it in weekends and evenings. But today I'm going to show you around. So this is where I work. I'm a teacher here at the adult education here. We do all sorts of vehicles. So we do lorries, cars, we even do bodywork and painting as well, but more of that is mostly out of the companies. So we've got the 4 lifts in here as well with the 4 cars. What makes us a bit special is that these cars, we rent them. We actually rent them from a scrapyard for a while, so they get scrapped at a company and then they stop off here for a while, 3 or maybe 4 months, where we can take them apart, put them back together again. We can do whatever we want to do to them, whatever the students need to do with their courses, and then they go back to the scrapyard and that's where they end their life. So this is where I spend all of my days. So if you're interested in becoming a mechanic on cars or lorries or big machines, whatever, bodywork, this is where you need to come to. I'll put a link down below to here. So if you want me or my colleague as a teacher, make sure you get your application in soon. Some of you might recognise what this gearbox is out of. So as you can see, we do most things on these cars. Wheel alignment, we've got that one's doing the AC on it. We are actually a centre that can train people in AC as well, so we do that as well. My colleague does that, so he can teach you to use the AC machines and get your licenses and stuff. So we've got all that here as well. So yeah, this is where I spend all my days, playing with cars. Well, it was a really good day. We had about 40 different cars here, I think. Probably about 200 people, I would imagine, something like that. They sold about 130 hamburgers, so I would imagine about 200 people. Brilliant day, lots of sunshine, lots of brilliant cars, and Alice finally got to be in a car show. So the next car show is a couple of weeks away, and it's Keytown Meet, somewhere that I wanted to go to last year. Broke my engine a little bit, but it's all working now, so in a couple of weeks should be another car show. So thank you for watching this episode. I'll put my social media up on the screen now so you can follow me there. Please do press that subscribe button, it really does all help. I'll put links below to all of my sponsors, so please go in there and have a look at it. And if you want to know more about the education that we do here, have a look on the homepage. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.